welcome back to American Car Legends. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest car reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of 2026, the Ferrari F80. Ferrari has always been synonymous with speed, luxury, and pure driving excitement, and the F80 promises to take all of that to an entirely new level. From its breathtaking design to its monstrous performance, this car is built for those who demand nothing but the best. Starting with the exterior, the F80 is a masterclass in automotive design. Ferrari has seamlessly blended aerodynamic efficiency with aggressive styling, creating a car that not only looks fast, but actually is fast. The low-slung profile, sculpted curves, and wide stance give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights and an aggressive grille that hints at the car's performance capabilities. Air intakes are strategically placed to optimize airflow, cooling the engine while reducing drag. The rear end is equally stunning, with quad exhausts, a pronounced diffuser, and a sleek rear spoiler that deploys at high speeds to provide extra downforce. Every angle of the F80 has been carefully crafted to turn heads. Whether it's parked or tearing down a straightaway. Moving to the interior, the Ferrari F80 offers a cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. The cabin is driver-focused, with all controls intuitively placed for maximum convenience. Premium materials dominate the interior, with Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine Italian leather creating a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. The seats are deeply bolstered, providing excellent support during high-speed cornering while remaining comfortable for longer drives. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a high-definition infotainment system ensures connectivity and entertainment on the go. Despite being a supercar, the F80 surprisingly manages to offer practicality in terms of visibility and ergonomics, making it a car that's as usable as it is thrilling. Under the hood, the F80 houses a mind-blowing engine that defines its supercar status. Ferrari has equipped this beast with a naturally aspirated V12 engine capable of producing an astonishing amount of horsepower. The exact figures are staggering, with the F80 delivering blistering acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.7 seconds. The top speed exceeds 220 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest production cars ever made. The engine's roar is pure music to any car enthusiast's ears, a visceral reminder of Ferrari's racing pedigree. Coupled with an advanced dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive system, the F80 ensures power is delivered smoothly and efficiently to the road, giving drivers unparalleled control and precision. The handling of the Ferrari F80 is equally impressive. Ferrari's engineers have integrated cutting-edge suspension technology and aerodynamics to provide razor-sharp responsiveness. The steering is precise, the chassis rigid, and the brakes are capable of bringing the car down from extreme speeds with confidence. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or pushing the limits on a track, the F80 responds instantly to driver input, creating an exhilarating driving experience that few cars can match. Ferrari has also implemented advanced traction and stability systems that enhance performance without taking away the pure driving feel, allowing both seasoned drivers and enthusiasts to enjoy every second behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the Ferrari F80 is positioned as a hyper-luxury supercar, reflecting its cutting-edge engineering and exclusivity. While exact pricing may vary depending on optional features and markets, expect the base model to start well into the seven-figure range. This is a car for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to own a piece of automotive history. Ferrari continues to offer customization options, from bespoke paint colors to tailored interior finishes, allowing buyers to create a truly unique vehicle that reflects their personal taste. Safety has not been overlooked in the F80. Ferrari has incorporated a range of active and passive safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and advanced braking technologies. The car's structure uses lightweight yet incredibly strong materials to protect occupants in the event of a collision, demonstrating that even at the pinnacle of performance, safety remains a priority. Additionally, the aerodynamics and stability control contribute to overall road safety, keeping the car planted and predictable even in extreme driving conditions. Performance, as you'd expect from a Ferrari, is simply extraordinary. The F80 delivers a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. Its acceleration is instantaneous, the engine note is intoxicating, and every corner feels like an invitation to push harder. Track tests show that the F80 can handle continuous high-speed driving without compromise thanks to its advanced cooling systems and precision engineering. Despite its raw power, Ferrari has ensured that the F80 remains manageable and enjoyable, making it a car that's as thrilling for spirited weekend drives as it is for professional track use. In terms of technology, the F80 is equipped with Ferrari's latest innovations. The infotainment system is seamlessly integrated with driving modes, performance data, and connectivity options. Drivers can select between different driving modes to adjust throttle response, suspension stiffness, and aerodynamic settings, tailoring the car's behavior to the situation at hand. Advanced telemetry allows enthusiasts to monitor performance metrics, while optional features like a high-end audio system provide luxury without compromising the driving experience. Ferrari has truly found a balance between cutting-edge technology and the purity of a supercar. The Ferrari F80 also embraces sustainability with a nod to modern engineering. While it remains a high-performance machine, Ferrari has incorporated hybrid technology to optimize efficiency and reduce emissions without sacrificing power. This ensures that the F80 meets stricter environmental standards while still delivering the kind of performance Ferrari is famous for. The combination of traditional engineering excellence and modern innovation makes the F80 a standout in the world of supercars. Overall, the Ferrari F80 is a masterpiece that combines speed, style, and sophistication. It represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering capabilities, offering an unmatched driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. From its aggressive exterior to its luxurious interior, from its mind-blowing performance to its advanced technology, every aspect of the F80 has been designed to impress. This car is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the thrill, and the emotional connection that only a Ferrari can provide. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who loves the pure joy of driving, the F80 is an absolute must-have. Its exclusivity, performance, and heritage make it a car that will be remembered for years to come. It's more than a vehicle. It's a statement, a piece of automotive art, and a legacy of speed and innovation. If you ever have the chance to experience the Ferrari F80, it's an experience you'll never forget, one that captures the essence of why we all love cars in the first place. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car news and reviews right here on American Car Legends. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.